Guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're actually going to be putting on a new body kit on the old Lexus SC300 here. Alright guys, we're on our way to Fort Worth to get a body kit for the car. We are stuck in a bunch of traffic, but we're going to make it. Let's go. I'm here with Mark. He has some sick OEM body parts for the car. It's looking good. I like it. I like it. He's got all the side skirts, everything here. All right, man. Well, let's go get this slapped on. Thanks a lot, Mark. Go, man. You just never know what you're gonna see on these road trips. Look at that. Look at this. Look at his exhaust. You're watching Tater Nader, Accelerate with Faith, positive and encouraging automotive content. If you enjoy this type of content, consider subscribing and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of the action. Let's go. Today we got to actually fix the crack. So there's a little crack, that's how I got it so cheap. And next we're gonna add our plastic bonders. Never let perfect get in the way of good enough. You know what I'm saying? She's a race car. All right, we'll let her sit now. Alright guys, so we have let it dry overnight. So let's take this tape off and see how she looks. So what I'll do is probably just sand her down a little bit. Right there. Well, today we're actually going to be putting the new front bumper on and the side skirts, back bumper. Let's jump into it. Alright, I think we got all the screws out. So she should be coming out now. Get her up off of this, out around over here. Oh, here we go. Clips. All right, they come out. They twist out here. All right. There it is, guys. Bumper off the car. Sick. All right, we're about to see how this bumper fits. Should just bolt right up. Look at that, guys. She lines up perfectly. Nice. Okay. That's gonna be sick. All right, fellas, we got her on there. She looks a lot different with the front bumper. We still got to put the kit on there, but at least we got the new bumper on the car. Let's set her down and see how she looks. I like it. All right, tomorrow we'll finish her up. All right, guys, we're gonna be moving on to these side skirts. Gonna be installing those. All right, we're gonna start by taking this inner trim off. All right, now that we got those two screws out the end, it will come right out of here. So we'll just pull these out. Gentle. All right, there it is. Never been cleaned off right there, probably. Ever. That looks great, guys. Look at that. Are you kidding me? Look at that. I don't know if you guys can see that well in the sun. Woo! That's sick. All right, we'll get the other side done now. All right, next we're going to be removing this bumper. There it is, guys. There it is. The old bumper. Next, guys, we're going to get this front lip put on. All right, we got a couple supporting screws. We got the 3M tape on there. She looks sick.